Hi and welcome to the Market Alert for Tuesday the 15th of September 2015. Starting off in yesterday's 5-minute chart in the pre-market session, I managed to take advantage of the long trade. I missed the short because we saw that in yesterday's Market Alert. It was actually in progress during the recording. We then had the buy signal and took advantage of this for 73 points, which you can see just down here. I'll come to the other two trades in just a moment. The market then passed the 10 o'clock, which is no point in trading, and there's the proof of it. Market becoming sideways, and then the afternoon session opening with quite volatile ranges. There you can see, and then the market coming back. Had to go out and miss this trade, which is a shame because it would have been another nice 30 or 40 points. And then we get into the quiet period again, which we don't trade at the moment because of the volatility levels dropping at this time. And then on to the evening session, and I came in, had a look at this trade, and I thought, well, the market's finding support, but I could see that this one was already struggling. So took the trade. It went up close to the I'll just draw this in for you so you can see it headed towards the 20 points, and then as it started to come back, I could just see that this market was going to go nowhere and decided to pull it, which is why you only see the 2 points there. And then we've got the short, so I thought, well, okay, it doesn't want to go up, I'll try the short, and again I could see that was going nowhere, so I pulled that one as well just before break even for another 2 points, and that took care of yesterday. But the reason for this sort of switch at the moment is because of the interest rate or potential interest rate decision this week from Yellen, and it's going to be announced on Thursday afternoon, not on Wednesday evening. It's a 2-day event for the FOMC this week. In fact, let's just clarify this. Right, so what we want to do is just to go through to Thursday. There's Wednesday, and 17th, there we go, 7 p.m. we've got Federal Reserve FOMC economic projections, and then the statement, and then the Fed funds rate. So it's going to be Thursday 7 p.m. and what's interesting here also is that there's an FOMC press conference, which I've not seen that added to the list before, so that will be interesting as well. So this is why the market is quiet. And speaking of which, on the overnight you can see it's not been making any big moves. This has become very quiet. So my advice for today, or until we get some more volatility, is just to stay out of the pre-market session unless you see a decent move on the overnight, and there isn't one there. There's no profits on those moves on the overnight. This one has become profitable, but I think from here you might not see too much on either way, because the market is waiting for this news in the background there, unless of course something happens with China. In the daily charts, again, you can see it's fairly quiet yesterday, probably the quietest day we've had for a long time, and the reason why we didn't get too much on the moves after the orders were filled last night. And at news today, we've got retail sales. Everything's out before the official 2:30 start. Capacity utilization rate comes out though, as does industrial production. They're at 2:15, so, and they're forecast to be lower as well. So not really good economic data for a Federal Reserve chairperson to actually consider increasing rates. But then again, like I say, there are a lot of mad people around at the moment. Let's have a look in the Far East, see what's happening. The market down 245, heading back to that 3,000 critical level. They've been pumping money into the market overnight and supporting currencies. Obviously not for too much effect. And the margin also ratio is still 65% over in China as well. People holding stocks with borrowed money. And implied volatility for yesterday, let's just bring up the chart. We've got 2102, up slightly from the day before, given that the market was very quiet yesterday. You'd expect this to be lower, but it wasn't, and that's probably pricing in Thursday's decision ahead of time there. Right, well, that's it for this morning. I will see you in tomorrow's edition, and any other changes in tactics I will let you know later. And also the trade of 73 points, I've also included that and put it onto the site for you as well. Right, that's it. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.